Adrian. 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 Adrian.
Hello, my name is Adrian. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a comic book page in Clip Studio Paint. So this is the comic book page I've been working on for my story called Bandit. The first page, and I'm just going to create a new file type, and we can start from scratch to show you how you can create something like this for your own comic. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when you're creating a comic in Clip Studio is go up here to File, you can select New, and then in Clip Studio they have these presets up here. They have Illustration, Comic, Show All Comic Settings, and then Animation. I'm just going to do Comic Settings, and then I'm going to go down here to the preset Comic Settings, and whatever whatever paper size you want to work on, you can choose right here. B4 size, B5, A4 size, A5 down here, but I'm just going to use A4 size, and press OK. And now from here we have our comic book page ready to go. And what's cool about Clip Studio is they have this frame border tool over here on the toolbar to the left. You can select this and create rectangular frames and basically comic panels. So I'm gonna just select the rectangle one. I'm gonna choose a black for the panel. And these guides on the paper, on the canvas, just help you with your page layout. So what's cool about the create frame tool is that once you grab the tool, you can just go onto the canvas and it creates a panel for you, a comic panel. But not only does it create a comic panel, you can just grab and drag it wherever you want, but also creates it in its own layer and right there. So now you can go into that panel and draw whatever you want in there. That brush is slow. Make it something faster. There we go. So yeah, when you want to create another panel, you just go back to the tool, make sure you have the color you want selected, and then choose the panel. Make sure you're not on the same layer you just created that panel on. Let's go to the layer below it, and then you can create more panels like that. So another cool thing about this is they have these other tools here, the polyline frame, so you can make customized shapes for it, and this is good for like manga type of panels if you want to create like that, create those type of comics. And you see how this panel is, whoa, the wind. Is it raining outside? It's raining, that's crazy. But okay, so whoa, what am I doing? Didn't mean to do that. But yeah, this comic panel is pretty thin, so I'm just gonna increase the size of the brush, or of the line, by increasing the brush size. Then I can just create another panel. So that's how you create panels, but I also want to show you how you can cut the panels into separate panels. So I can take this panel up here and just divide it with this tool right here, divide frame border, or frame border, that's what I want. And I can just draw a line right there and divide that frame, and it becomes two panels on the same layer folder. And then I can just draw a comic in there. Just draw inside, or yeah. So that's what I did with my comic up here. I created these panels, and I cut them so that I could get different amounts of them. I'm gonna delete these and show you how I made my comic page. Okay, so my comic starts off with like a landscape view of the setting. So I'm gonna go down here to create frame. I'm just gonna grab a black as my color. I'm gonna make a new layer right here above this layer. Now I'm going to make my panel, and it doesn't matter if it's outside the canvas. It's gonna create the panel the same. Okay, and then I have 3 more panels right below that one. So instead of making 3 panels individually like that, or like this, I can do that, but then it ends up, or these panels end up not being the same size. And to fix that, all you gotta do is create one panel, and use the cut frame border tool right here. Just cut it into 3 sections. So that's the first panel, second, and then the third. And there we go. And let's do it again just to show you. So right here I have 4 panels right here. These bottom 4 panels right here, I'm going to show you how to make that real quick. So I'm gonna grab my create frame. I'm gonna, since I have 4 panels right here, I'm gonna create just 2, because I can cut the panels and make them into 4. So we have, actually, I'm gonna do this to make it interesting. Do that. And now, so that's how I want my comic panels to look. So I'm just gonna go to the cut frame border, cut it, then cut it again, cut this one, and there we go. Now if I go back down here and select this layer, you can see all the panels by themselves. So yeah, I just want to make this quick little video, show you how I make comic book pages and how I'm going about the process. I'm still figuring this out myself, so I'm still learning, still trying to figure it out myself, but hopefully these tips help you start making your own comics and stuff. And for, oh my gosh, what's going on here? But yeah, this is my first page of comic, short comic Bandit that I'm getting ready to finish up and stuff. Yeah, so that's all I got. Hopefully these tips helped you out, and peace out.